Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to make a short review on Admiral Vality 90T. Here T means transparent and this one is a silver capped one where it has a violet colored trim portion which has a golden color clip and a golden color ring on the bottom of the cap. This cap has a breather hole here which prevents the ink from clogging. It maintains a balanced atmospheric pressure so the ink does not leak or burp ink through the nibs. And this is a thread type opening mechanism, and you have to unscrew the cap for open this. And this has a number 5 nib, which has a fine tip with golden color, golden plated, and you can swap with nibs as you like. Since we have number 5 nibs in many brands, usually pen enthusiast will swap with Canwright nibs where we have fine, medium, broad nibs, and again with gold, dual tone and silver plated nibs. And for that you can go to our site and click pen spares, then go to nibs, and there you can use filters and make a query on what you require. And here the holding area is so soft and smooth and so tiny, means a thin one. So there is a more suitable pen for the little fingers for normal children. And also the reservoir capacity is more. We can fill more than 3 ml of ink in this. And also please note, since this is a transparent body, please don't use primary colors inks so that it will create a stain on the wall of the pen. So, and another thing, if you are filling the ink, please fill above the inner threads here and apply in the thread portion, apply a silicone grease or Vaseline every time when you open and close the grip area during the ink fill. So because all the threads are tend to worn out, so to increase the life of the thread, please apply that. And fill the ink below the inner threads of the barrel. So if you fill in excess, leakage path will be created and you will spoil your hands. And another important thing is the pen maintenance. Please wash the pen with wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it blocks the inner passage of the feeder. So you will get a scratchy writing, and slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. So this is the reason of the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the deposits and dirts, please remove the feeder unit and the nib separately by holding the nib and the feeder together and twist and pull. And this is so simple. And then you can flush the feeder with the help of any toothbrush or any brush, and clean it with well with soap water or in tap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for 1 hour and brush and clean. And this is so easy to fix it back. Yeah, that's it. And now I'm going to give a writing sample. For that I'm using our emerald green ink. I'm dipping and drying the excess. Yeah, the writing is so good, the nib is so smooth. And if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the question in the comment box, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.